Hi everybody, this is Andrew from Enphase Training, and today I want to talk to you about meter collar configurations. Okay, so here's your problem. Your problem is that your utility is not accepting our meter collar. That doesn't mean you can't use our meter collar, that means you can't use it on their equipment. So their meter pan belongs to them. If you're PG&E, if you're Pico, if you're a utility company, this meter belongs to you. And if our meter collar is not accepted, you can't put a meter collar underneath of that, but that doesn't mean you can't use it. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and get yourself a separate meter pan and wire it on the load side of your meter between, the utility and whatever you're backing up. I'm going to wire from the load side of the meter to the line side of the meter pan, from the load side of the meter pan to the main service panel. And then in this separate meter pan, I'm going to install my meter collar by simply pushing it in. And on top of that, I'm going to install one of these permanent use rated meter collar covers, so that everything is waterproof and PV rated, UV rated, rain tight, all that good stuff. Now, if it's a ringless meter pan, that's fine. You could use a ringless meter pan. You could use ringed meter pans. Anything is going to work for you. I tend to think the ringed type are easier, but it's fine, whatever you want to use, and it's real simple to install. Now we have a MID that is not living on your service equipment. It's not living on the utility company's hardware, so they have nothing to do with this. This belongs to the customer, this belongs to the utility, and you're good to go. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.